In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cookies in Chrome. If your browser has been acting strangely, websites are not loading correctly, or you simply want to remove stored site data for privacy reasons, clearing cookies in Chrome can help. Cookies are small files that websites save in your browser to remember things like logins, preferences, and session activity. Removing them can fix certain website issues, but keep in mind that it may also sign you out of some sites. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access more browser options and settings. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can control privacy, security, appearance, and other browser features. On the left-hand sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the tools related to your browsing data and website permissions. Next, click Delete Browsing Data. A pop-up window will appear with different options for removing stored information from Chrome. This is where you can choose exactly what you want to clear. Now choose a time range. If you want to remove every cookie currently stored in Chrome, select all time. If you only want to clear more recent data, you can choose a shorter range instead. Selecting the right time range is important because it determines how much information Chrome will remove. After that, check the box for cookies and other site data. This is the key option you need for clearing cookies. You may also notice other boxes such as browsing history and cached images and files. If you do not want to remove those, simply uncheck them so that only cookies are deleted. This can be helpful if you want to keep your browsing history intact while still clearing website data. Once everything looks correct, click Delete Data. Chrome will then begin removing the selected cookies from your browser. Depending on how much stored data you have, this may take just a few seconds. After the process is complete, your cookies will be cleared. Some websites may ask you to sign in again, and certain site preferences may be reset. That is completely normal, and that's how to clear cookies in Chrome. If you're troubleshooting a website, this is one of the quickest and most effective browser fixes you can try.